Hey there, welcome to the channel. I'm Cindy Daychuck with Queen Bee Creations. Today we're going to do a really fast, super quick little craft that you can do with your kids. And I think it's super cute, great for little gifts, wonderful to tuck into books if you're gifting those. And we're going to be doing it with packing tape. I'm going to pull you in overhead so you can see what I'm doing up close. You know what? Sit back. 5 minutes, we're done. Okay, we're going to make some quick little bookmarks, and I'm going to do two versions. So, first thing we need is just some packing tape, and I'm just going to leave it on the roll if the roll stays still, just so that I keep track of where it is. New roll, so that helps. And what I do have are just some floral stickers from the dollar store. So 3 sheets of these, $1.50. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. So the first version of this, all that we are going to do is take some of our stickers and stick them down along our packing tape. And we can do these in whatever way makes sense to us, right? We can overlap them. I'm just trying to avoid going right out to the edge because I want to have some of that edging to be able to keep these kind of in place. So, oh, these come with little gems. Let's see what else we got going on here. I'm kind of staying on this one in the pinkish theme. Just that's what seemed to be happening. So let's roll with it. And oh, you would have been perfect. Too late for you. Okay. So when we have it, as long as we want, I'm just going to cut off my packing tape here. And what we want to do now, I always find my end again. And I want to seal those in by laying another strip of packing tape on top. So what I want to do is try and keep it as even, as flat as I can. And then ultimately, this is all sealed, so I can then cut off, trim my edges, and I like leaving a little bit of clear plastic at the top just to be able to pop a little hole in and tie some ribbon. All right, what I do have for this one is I have 2 pieces of scrapbooking paper cut down the same size. For my particular roll of packing tape, 1.5 inches wide still leaves a margin on either side. Now, if you happen to have double-sided paper, even better. Skip this step because now you've got pattern on both sides. I'm just putting a little bit of glue to kind of serve to hold them together. And just kind of line them up. Flatten them out. And what I want to do is I want to now sandwich this. Now, I have tape on either side, and what I can do now is just use some of my florals as embellishments. Let me show you one more quick way of doing this using napkins. You can just lay your napkin out and then take a couple pieces over here. Take your packing tape and just lay it down over the top. So you can just layer this over, and you could do this with any of your paper. So if your kids have drawings, that sort of thing, you could take it all the way up, and then when you're ready, flip it over and lay, whoops, not yet. Oh, so close, almost forgot. We want to separate the plies. And I find this easier to do once I already have them laid down, because I can just start peeling them away. It's so much easier than trying to separate them prior. Just because it's a little easier when they're thicker and they just peel off so easy. Now I can take my other layer. I was getting ahead of myself. I can take my other layer. I can lay it down over top. And then I can just simply burnish it in, cut away the excess, and then I have my bookmark. Okay, our little bookmarks are done. You know, the napkin ones, oh my goodness. The napkin ones are thinner, which, you know, fine, you could double them up if you want to, but I have to tell you, some people that are real book aficionados like really thin bookmarks because they don't want the bookmark to be so fat that it distorts the pages or wrecks the binding or anything like that. So these make super cute ones. They're pretty hardy. I've just got little hemp cords attached. You could do ribbons, you could put beads, whatever you'd like, and you can make them whatever length that you want that work for maybe the book that you're going to be gifting or whatever. You can, of course, do them with just scrapbooking paper, cardstock on both sides, so that unless you have double-sided paper, you could do one side with that, the other side with some stickers, or you could write a heartfelt message on the back of this, so that, you know, if you're doing it with your kids, get them to, you know, say, love you, grandma, or whatever works for the occasion. So little heartfelt message, either typewritten, perhaps a favorite poem or saying you could do on that. This one is just done with stickers, stuck on one side. Again, you could back it. So the sky is really the limit with this, and it's really, the packing tape is just the medium to provide protection for your bookmarks. Super cute, super fast, and definitely super inexpensive. Let me know what you think of this one, guys. Look forward to seeing you on the next one as always. And until then, take care.